Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melty Blood Actress again. Let's dive right into the fundamentals. This game offers fast-paced, two-dimensional combat with a unique moon style system. You'll choose from 3 distinct styles: crescent, half, and full moon, each altering your character's abilities and playstyle significantly. Mastering basic movement, normal attacks, and special moves is your first step to becoming a formidable fighter. We'll cover these essential elements to get you started on your journey. Each moon style fundamentally changes how your character plays. Crescent Moon is a well-rounded style, giving you access to a versatile EX shield and strong offensive options. Half Moon focuses on aggressive, rushdown tactics, allowing for quick heat activation and rapid attacks. Full Moon, on the other hand, emphasizes defense and powerful comebacks with its blood heat state and a robust shield. Experiment with all 3 to find the one that best suits your personal fighting preference. To elevate your gameplay, focus on essential techniques. Start by chaining together normal attacks into special moves, often called cancels, to create damaging combos. The shield system is crucial for defense, allowing you to block and even counterattack incoming assaults. Don't forget about aerial movement. Air dashes and jumps are vital for navigating the screen and extending your offensive pressure. Consistent practice of these core mechanics will significantly improve your performance in matches. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to delve into advanced strategies. Research character-specific matchups to understand advantages and disadvantages against different opponents. Spend ample time in training mode. It's your best friend for perfecting combo execution and testing new ideas. Watching high-level players can also provide invaluable insights into advanced techniques and optimal play. Remember, consistent practice and thoughtful analysis are key to mastering Melty Blood Actress again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.